guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of cockroaches. Number 1. Fabric softener. If you want to alternative to market repellents, combine fabric softener with water and store it in a spray bottle. When you see a cockroach, spray this combination directly on it and watch it die. However, this may not be the ideal approach for a large-scale infestation. Number 2. Pepper, onion and garlic. Prepare a pepper powder, onion paste and garlic solution and dissolve it on 1 liter of water. The answer should be strewn across the affected areas. They will be kept at bay by the odor of the combination. Number 3. Pine sol and bleach. Bring these two components to a boil in water and then pour the mixture onto the affected regions. It can be a highly effective chemical-free method of luring cockroaches away from your house. Number 4. Cucumbers. Keep a few cucumber slices in a tin container and leave it alone. The interaction between cucumber and tiny jar can produce a fragrance that cockroaches dislike.